Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 5, YimMenu v2. 128 new stars today. YimMenu v2 is an open source research tool for exploring and modifying the internal systems of GTA 5. Enhanced, giving developers a practical sandbox for runtime reverse engineering and game internals experimentation. It solves the problem of understanding complex, undocumented game architectures by providing a working injectable menu that demonstrates hooking, UI rendering, and memory manipulation in a modern DirectX 12 title. Unlike static analysis or outdated single-player mods, this project offers a live, evolving codebase for studying client-side game hacking techniques, BattleEye interactions, and save data rerouting in a multiplayer adjacent environment. Number 4, lobehub. 71 new stars today. lobehub solves the coordination overhead of running multiple AI agents by acting as a persistent operator that hires, schedules, and reports on your entire agent fleet without requiring you to stay online. Instead of manually chaining prompts or babysitting individual chat sessions, you define agents as composable units of work and let the platform orchestrate their collaboration around the clock. It is built as a self-hostable TypeScript system that treats agents as a formal scheduling primitive, making it technically interesting for developers who want production-grade agent orchestration rather than a simple chatbot wrapper. Number 3, Bonsai-demo. 196 new stars today. This repo lets you run a 27B vision language model with native tool calling and 256K context on a laptop or even an iPhone, eliminating per-request API costs and keeping sensitive images local. Developers who typically pay for GPT-4o every time they send a screenshot or PDF for analysis can instead process unlimited visual queries entirely on device. The model achieves this through sub-2-bit quantization and custom inference kernels that pack a full multimodal reasoning engine into smartphone memory without quality collapse, making it a novel alternative to the usual cloud-only large model paradigm. Number 2, PostHog. 77 new stars today. PostHog gives you a single self-hostable platform that replaces a fragmented stack of product analytics, session replay, feature flags, error tracking, and AI observability tools, so you own your data and stop paying per seat for each service. Its auto capture, SQL access, and self-driving mode that turns product signals into pull requests make it technically unique among open source alternatives. The repo is the full codebase for the entire platform. Dive in to self-host, contribute, or understand how a modern, event-driven analytics pipeline is built. Number 1, Ossie. 60 new stars today. If you have ever had to reconcile the same KPI defined differently across your BI tool, data warehouse, and AI copilot, Apache Ossie provides an open, JSON, and YAML-based standard that any platform can adopt to define semantic models once and use them everywhere. This repository contains the machine-readable specification, schema validation tooling, and Python-based reference converters that translate between Ossie and formats like DBT, Good Data, and Polaris, giving tool builders a practical working starting point. Eliminating manual coordination of business logic across systems reduces the engineering overhead that leads to unreliable AI outputs and brittle analytics pipelines.